Hey everyone! Imagine making an extra $1,000 a month on Instagram without ever showing your face. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in 2025. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to understand is the power of niche content. Pick a niche that you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. It could be anything from fitness tips to delicious recipes to tech gadget reviews. Remember, specificity is key. Step 2, create high-quality content. You might be wondering, how do I do that without showing my face? Simple. Use stock photos, videos, and animations. There are tons of free and paid resources online. Pair these visuals with engaging captions and informative voiceovers. Your content should be visually appealing and offer real value to your audience. Now let's talk about consistency. Post regularly. Whether it's daily, bi-weekly, or weekly, stick to a schedule. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Step 3. Master the art of hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags to increase your content's reach. Instagram's algorithm loves it when you use the right hashtags, so do your research and use them wisely. Moving on to step 4, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and like other people's posts. Building a community around your content is crucial. It shows that you care and helps foster a loyal following. Now let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to make money on Instagram. Partner with brands for sponsored posts, become an affiliate marketer, sell your own products, or even offer online courses. Choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your niche and audience. One last tip: keep learning and adapting. Social media trends change rapidly, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay updated with the latest Instagram features and algorithm changes. Test different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. And there you have it. By focusing on niche content, creating high-quality visuals, staying consistent, mastering hashtags, engaging with your audience, and smart monetization, you can make $1,000 a month or even more on Instagram without showing your face. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Let's make 2025 the year you achieve your financial goals. Catch you in the next video.